Hey everyone, this is Don Johnson with How Results Copywriting. In this video, we'll be covering organizing your offer to sell higher end products. And this tends to be a very specific issue or thing to evaluate for some product and service people, because they might have lower end products and they might have sort of, not even coaching, but products that are over $100 or several $100, and they want to know how to evaluate the pricing of that, or even if it's worth that pricing. And in those cases, some cases, we just need help with, how to think about pricing our products and goods, whatever else that it is that we're selling. And we have to be careful about charging too much. It's not really about charging too little, but market research helps dictate our price. And if your price is either too low or high when you compare it to others in your industry, and you have to just do a lot of looking around and comparing. And that's when you know your industry better, because you know literally what others charge in kind of rough proportion to yours, whatever you have to offer. And nothing really if nothing really matches up, then you know you kind of have a unique industry, which it happens on kind of a lot. Business, health, even finances and banking or whatever else. It happens quite often. And that just means that we have to evaluate ourselves as someone as one way to look at it. We have to see ourselves as someone who has to compete. And the only way to do that is to charge notably lower than our closest competition, so that we have competitive pricing to them, and in our own ways we sort of have higher quality in general, because lower pricing with higher quality equates to better customer satisfaction long term. And that is sort of what allows us to evaluate our stuff as higher end products in general, when we know we can compare it to other similar products or stuff that we evaluate as similar, and we know it's either better than theirs, but it's similar to sales and what they're actually offering, but we have a better version of it. But in some cases, and I just have to say, it's not just some, it's a lot of cases, because some people charge way too much, and that's why they're not getting sales. This tends to be a judgment call, because we have to be accurate, and that's why I have to offer out my evaluation of my services out, because though this might sound odd, and this isn't really a paid thing, so this is just me allowing you to just reach out to me if you have any questions about your pricing, because this is what I've done for my clients. And it's just, if you need to talk about it, or if you have any questions or confusions about sort of organizing the pricing of your offers, or higher end products, lower end products, whatever, just ask a question. That's not a charge thing. If you want to do a sales page with me, that would be paid service. But for the pricing aspect, just please reach out, because I know a lot of people have problems with this, and it's not a normal issue. It's just I am so confused, or I just have several pricing points. What is best for my product? And I can help you evaluate that, because I've done this for too many years to count, or too many industries to count, and it's something that's easy for me, relatively easy for me anyway. And I can just help you understand your price points as a function of what your product is or what your service is. And it's not difficult, and I can help you if needed with showing you where market research is applicable, so that you can do this yourself in the future, or just know your industry better. And this eventually, I have to kind of swing around to evaluating your sales process to possibly create a better sales page for you, because a lot of my clients come from sort of a zone of, well, not a lot, it's a certain proportion of my customers come from a zone of they don't have an effective sales process, or they don't have a sales page at all. It's where does that price come in at? Where does that in your sales process? What page do you have where it says a sale, your product is for sale for this amount? You need a sales page for that, and that's what eventually all my clients are clients, because they bought sales pages or whatever else from me. But please reach out if you have any questions about this, pricing of your products or anything else. And yeah, this has been Don Johnson with How Results Copywriting. Please check out the links below to reach out, or if you have any questions. Thank you.